Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best wooden spoons you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, if you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Neat Wooden Organic Bamboo Cooking and Serving Utensil Set. Neat has come up with a strategic design with this handcrafted 100% natural organic bamboo wooden spoons. Bamboo is one of the lightest, most reliable and fastest growing trees there is, and when utensils are made of this material, it lasts longer than other natural wooden products. Neat wooden spoons are particularly sustainable, eco-friendly, and biodegradable. The complete set includes one spoon, spork, flat spatula, slotted spoon, slotted spatula, and utensil organizer. Aside from bamboo being chemical-free, do you know that it has a unique antibacterial property? The wooden spoons are gentle to your expensive and delicate cookware, keeping it safe and scratch-free. Use these utensils for sautéing, flipping, mixing, baking, and serving your recipes as well. You will not have any problem even when you expose it to high heat while cooking. The kitchen set can be used for a range of tasks, right from stirring, cleaning the bottom of the pans, serving, and even tasting the delicacies. They also form a great source of DIY art projects for your kids at home. In addition, Neat offers a 100% lifetime guarantee. What are you waiting for? Pros: natural organic material, chemical-free, with antibacterial properties, can withstand high heat. 100% money-back guarantee, comes with its own holder. Durable and lightweight. Versatile set. Great warranty policy. Cons: wood needs constant conditioning with oil, mildew smell for the first few days of use. Number 2. NAYAHOSE Wooden Cooking Utensil Set. If you want to experience the real fun of cooking, and you want to be the master chief of your kitchen, the NAYAHOSE is a great wooden cooking utensil that will make your cooking style and give your kitchen an elegant look. This cooking utensil will help you to make cooking easy and faster. You want to all-in-one decor your kitchen that comes with wooden cooking utensils that are natural. Teak wood utensils set. Non-stick hardwood spatula and wood spoons which give a coat of shine to your kitchen. The NAYAHOSE kitchen utensils set comes with a hard and sturdy material which is a strong quality of your cooking. This material is long-lasting and clean easily off all worries of breaking or scratches. The utensils are designed daily basis use and decor your kitchen with a speed booster. These cooking utensils set a great choice for sending mom, women, and chefs for household, birthday and any special occasions that use the set that will be useful in every kitchen. It is the best tool or gift for your loved ones. Key features: natural environment teak made of utensils, durable solid wood spoons, easy to clean and mild detergent, handmade by natural wood products. Pros: depth, color and different texture, special for non-stick pan, recommended for hand washing. Long handles that stay cool. Top of form. Cons: damage is expensive. Number 3. NAYAHOSE Natural Teak Wood Kitchen Utensils Set. This kitchen utensil set stands out from the rest due to its sturdy construction. Crafted from natural teak wood, not only is it appealing but also reliable. You can use a specific piece from the 4 options on both non-stick and coated cookware. For instance, the wooden spatula comes in handy when you want to turn a variety of foods such as pancakes, eggs, cheese, and much more. Note that this material is user-safe and eco-safe, which does not emit any fumes. We understand some spoons require a bit of effort to control them. Fortunately, these have a balanced weight and friendly structure to support a comfortable hold. Besides, they leave your pans and pots scratch-free for added value. Wash with moisture and mild detergent to improve the durability as well as appeal. Then leave them to air dry without wiping or dampening out the water. They have non-stick and elegant finishes to perfectly suit your kitchen. They are also anti-scalding and, therefore, won't scratch or damage your utensils when cooking. This is why they are recommended for long-term performance. Lastly, The set provides you with 4 pieces of spoons and spatula. Features of product: natural wood made, high temperature resistance, perforated designs. Pros: doesn't crack for longevity, comfy and easy to use, non-stick and anti-scalding. Cons: doesn't last longer. Number 4. Healthy cooking, natural non-stick hardwood spatula and spoons. Are you looking for the ideal set of spoons that you can use in your kitchen? With this, you are provided with 5 cooking spoons and turner spatula ladle. The spoons consist of the shovel, filter spoon, soup spoon, pasta server, mixing spoon, storage bucket. Apart from this, they are super strong and solid spoons that have been built from the highest quality of natural wood. Each spoon has been finished with natural oil, which implies that they are non-stick for healthy cooking. More interestingly, they are very soft and gentle spoons that don't cause scrapping. This means that they are safe for all the dishes. With the long handles, they are very comfy to hold when cooking. They include a flat spatula for flipping pancakes and eggs, elliptic spoons with beautifully smooth edges, and one with grooves for enabling liquids to sip through. These can be used as a serving spoon and also stirring. The set also includes elliptic spoons with one sharp edge, fine tip for reaching sharp edges and corners on your cooking pots. Features of product: natural wood built, natural oil finishes, 6 pieces. Pros: they are non-stick, ideal for different cooking needs, easy to store. Cons: are too thick. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Wooden Spoon Set. This wooden spoon is made of a solid, single piece of beechwood and has a hole in the wide handle for hanging, if desired. This spoon has a nice, deep recess, so it'd work for serving at the table as well as getting a hearty taste when you're testing your food during cooking. It's a very solid piece of equipment, definitely larger in both the handle and the bowl portion of the spoon than your typical grocery store wooden spoons. This spoon has a nice, deep recess, so it'd work for serving at the table as well as getting a hearty taste when you're testing your food during cooking. It's a very solid piece of equipment, definitely larger in both the handle and the bowl portion of the spoon than your typical grocery store wooden spoons. And owners of this one agree. Reviewers note the thick, comfortable handle and smooth wood. Some say they've had this spoon for years and it has lasted beautifully. Some people do note that the wood tends to get rough after washing, particularly if you use an abrasive type sponge. This can be remedied with sanding and/or a mineral oil rub. It also seems there may be quality control issues. Some people reported the spoon cracking after the first washing, but then they didn't have the same issue at all with a replacement. So test it out immediately after purchasing to be sure it's a good one. Pros: large recess, solid beech wood, wide handle, affordable. Cons: can get rough after washing, quality control issues. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.